Hey, cat. Look who's coming to see you. Look at that. Yeah, I'd be worried too. It's a teenage hen. She says, I don't like cats. You better be worried. Then again, she may think I've got food for you. And she says, well, I'll take cat food too. The cat's a little bit worried. It's a combination of, well, can I get some attention while ignoring this turkey? It's a deal. He's still worried about that turkey though, aren't you? Aren't you? Kitty, 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 kitty.